Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You are in Gerudo Town, story progress meets the requirement, and your loadout is shock-resistant. Once that's set, save to a fresh slot. This prevents permanent loss. Approach Riju during the appropriate quest window and start the dialogue. Choose the options that signal respect and intent. You do this because Riju responds to quest flags and reputation, making the proper approach triggers the heirloom sequence. Now move, and pay attention to her reactions. Once the conversation begins, follow the dialogue path that commits you to Riju's task, and do not skip cutscenes because they set flags. Then complete each linked trial or fetch task. Solve the shrine or puzzle, defeat optional minibosses, and return evidence to Riju. Make sure to use ally skills where puzzles require them, and equip the right items for elemental challenges. You act deliberately here, because each completed task flips a game flag that actually unlocks. When all tasks register, return to Riju and accept the heirloom during the final cutscene. Wait through the animation until the item appears in your inventory. If the heirloom does not show, reload the pre-turn and save and redo only the final exchange. This often forces the flag to set correctly. Also, make sure inventory filters or full bags are not blocking the item. Finally, if issues persist, verify quest log entries. The missing flag tells you which step to repeat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.